we're going to get ourselves our favorite tank view. And as you can see, it looks different in the tank.
June 30th, one and nothing else.
Look, T89. This one's slightly older.
Cool.
Late 1989.
Okay.
Newer Fluidmaster 400 fill out, Fluidmaster down the flush flapper, and same handle, and let me find a better place to, and here we go. Goes out of the place to American Standard ball cock. Right on the 19, the one that's warm. Certainly works better than the ball cock. I found the ball cocks aren't very reliable from what I've heard. Most people, ball cocks are kind of outdated, although many toys still have them, it seems. Older ones, you know. By the way, you know how some of the older cadets had tilt valves?
Yeah.
This one never had a tilt valve.
Oh, really?
It's too new.
Oh, okay. I like those tilt valves. I think those are interesting.
I think they did that until maybe 1981. Sometime in 1981, maybe. We already did flushing in the tank, right? Right, now we're going to put that lid back on. I love this tank lid.
Nice, huh?
I love tank lids. Now we might get a different perspective sometime.
There you go.
It's on good.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, we're not going to. Look, it's lit.